So, SiriusXM. And yeah, I'm talking about that SiriusXM. They sent me an offer in my email, surprisingly not in my regular mail, telling me that if I go ahead and reactivate my radio, then they actually have a promo going on where you can go ahead and get a free dock speaker or something like that when you activate. Now, me, I'm already a happy SiriusXM subscriber, and yes, I actually listen to SiriusXM. A lot of people don't nowadays. But I'm the type of dude, and I bet a lot of people are like this, where like if my price go up to the regular prices, then I'll go ahead and let it expire, and then I'll just wait for them to mail me a new offer. Like, I'm not paying full price, bro. They're gonna mail me a new special offer eventually, and then as soon as I get it, then I'll reactivate it. But this is one of those times, cause they actually sent me that offer a little bit ago now, and I finally just went ahead and got my package. So let's go and see what a SiriusXM Bluetooth speaker looks like. But let's see exactly what SiriusXM sent me in the mail. I don't know why it's so hard to open up. And inside the box, you have another box. Just again, like I said, the whole SpongeBob bag episode. Oh snap, okay, right off the bat, we have a Type-C to Type-A cable. So, as you can see. And then, oh my God, they was talking about a dock or something, weren't they? I'm pretty sure the offer literally says something about a dock. Does this look like a dock to you? I'm so deadass. Does this look like a dock to y'all? This is the SiriusXM speaker. Not really sure why I couldn't get that in focus right there, but yeah, that is a SiriusXM speaker right there, y'all. This whole thing right here, as you can see, yeah. SiriusXM, that's what we got in the mail. Now this was free, so am I really complaining? No, I'm not. But we do have this magnetic ring here, interestingly, and then we also have a magnet or either that or adhesive right here on the actual speaker itself at the bottom. But here's another interesting thing about this. So if you take a really close look, you see this, right? You would think this is some kind of like fabric material or something like that. It's not fabric at all. It's literally just like, I think that's plastic or something. Like I said, you really can't expect too much from a SiriusXM speaker, but like, man, okay, so I want to hear how this thing sounds, bro. This is gonna be interesting. Let me know in the comments below, how much do you really think they spent manufacturing this, or did they just drop ship this? But for a speaker this cheap, we surprisingly have USB-C. So if you look right there, we have a power button and we have a USB-C port. Now we already saw the cable, so we already knew it was USB-C, but that's pretty crazy. We have a speaker at the top, and then we just have SiriusXM at the bottom, and then this right here is where the magnet's gonna be. So if you just look at this, yeah, it just magnetizes like that. All right, makes sense. Now they do give you a user manual inside the box, which is barely even a user manual. It's literally just that and that. Wait a second. They say something about wireless charging? Oh my God. I think what they're trying to say, is this a wireless charger? Wireless charging usage guideline. Connect the USB-A of the charging cable to the adapter and the other end to the USB-C port. I think what's going on, and this is kind of crazy, I didn't expect this, but this is supposed to be like a phone wireless charger / Bluetooth speaker. So I'm curious, I'm not gonna use that magnetic ring because I don't need that yet. I'm gonna go ahead and use my iPhone and let's see if this thing actually starts charging. So you're gonna see it right here. Connects like that, and does it charge? It's not charging. The mobile phone can be charged by attaching it to the wireless charging area, and the charging indicator LED light is green when wireless charging is activated. Let's try plugging in the speaker first and then do it. No way. That is cool. Y'all, look at this. So look, I'm gonna connect it. Watch. It's charging. Let's see when I unplug it. Does it turn off? And yeah, it turns off. Now I can't imagine this thing would charge my phone fast at all, but yeah, it's still interesting that it can wireless charge. Now let's go and try the Bluetooth speaker aspect of this. Now I know this is a video, you can't really tell that much, but we're gonna go and try to do something. So it shows my Bluetooth list right here at SiriusXM. There it is. All right, let's go and try it, man. For the record, my expectations are like way down here. Max volume, by the way. I don't know where the bass at. The bass is nowhere to be seen, but that's louder than I thought for something like this. This is way louder than I ever thought it would be for a speaker this small. I just wonder what the battery life would be like for something like this. So yeah, the free SiriusXM speaker. Now, this thing is actually, the offer is no longer available anymore, but like if you still want to go and grab it, I'm sure somebody's reselling it on eBay, right? Not sure why you would want it, but I'm sure it's out there. But y'all let me know what y'all think about something like this though, man. Should I go and replace my UE Megabone with this? Maybe I'll even put the JBL on retirement and switch to something like this. But with that being said, man, hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And like I said, go ahead and check out my merch. It's at LatrellJennings.com. The 20% off special is still running right now. But with that being said, if there's only one thing in life, it's to keep it eccentric. That's why my name's Set Tech, and I'm gonna get to put y'all later, man. Peace out.